कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लान होने वाला है आपकी तरफ से?
इस बार आईफा न्यूयॉर्क में होगा और मैं बहुत बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, क्योंकि क्या है, आईफा एक ऐसा अवार्ड फंक्शन है जो सिर्फ फिल्म एक्टर्स को और उनके काम को सेलिब्रेट नहीं करता, एक मौका भी देता है एक्टरों को कि इंडिया से बाहर जाके अपने हॉलिडे को भी सेलिब्रेट करें. तो आई रियली थिंक आंद्रे एंड द एंटायर विजक्राफ्ट टीम मेक्स इट पॉसिबल फॉर अस टू एक्चुअली गेट अ ब्रेक and have fun with the fraternity.
So, which was your favorite movie in 2016 and 17?
You know, honestly, 16-17 has really had some really amazing films, and Udta Punjab, Dear Zindagi, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. I really have Pink, so some really great work. Dangal, which is not in the nominations, I heard, but yeah. But I really think 2016 and 17 has seen some great work. Okay?
समर सीजन स्टार्ट हो चुका है और आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे
उसके लिए समर टिप्स के लिए जाइए theshilpashetty.com पे जहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे टिप्स दे रही हूँ, कैसे खाना खाना चाहिए, कौन सा लेमनेड पीना चाहिए, कैसे बनाना चाहिए उस लेमनेड को, और कैसे अपने आप को फिट भी रखना चाहिए. बाय बाय. Oh, and happy Easter, guys.
ओके, तो आलिया जी सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे कि किसे वोट किया आपने, और
मतलब आई थिंक ये सीक्रेट बैलेट है ना, वोट बता नहीं सकते. सॉरी, मैं बता नहीं सकती, पर मैंने अच्छा वोटिंग किया आई थिंक. एक्चुअली इट्स माय फर्स्ट टाइम एट आईफा, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि अभी ऑलमोस्ट 5 साल हो गए मुझे इंडस्ट्री में आए हुए, एंड आई एम नॉट बिन टू आईफा येट. और एक्चुअली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि द ईयर आई एम गोइंग, हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हैं, तो ये तो और द वेट हैज़ बिन फ्रूटफुल. शॉपिंग प्लान्स तो मतलब हमेशा ही बने रहेंगे, नो मैटर वेयर आई एम, व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. बट आई थिंक बहुत काम होगा, तो ज़्यादा टाइम शायद ना मिले. बट आई मीन यू आर देयर, तो डेफिनेटली टाइम बनाना पड़ेगा. I am performing, yes. I just didn't know if I can say it. Yeah, I am performing.
So will it be more your numbers only or
I am not decided yet, but I get little bored performing to my own songs constantly. So I'll try and do something different, maybe a mix of my songs and some other songs. Let's see.
So आलिया जी से भी पूछा है, सबने उड़ता पंजाब को काफी प्रेज किया है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. उड़ता पंजाब को प्रेज किया है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. ऑब्वियसली मैं खुद प्रेज नहीं करूँगी, मैं बस थैंक यू कहूँगी.
You know, a lot was said when a film like Airlift was missed out on a particular awards ka nomination list. This time when at the national awards, when a film like Udta Punjab didn't get the recognition it deserved, did it feel bad? I'm not talking about you not getting an award, obviously you said that there are no insecurities. But when a film like Udta Punjab doesn't get the necessary recognition at a platform like national awards, does it feel
No, yeah, because honestly at the end of the day when the film released, it got that recognition and appreciation from the people. So I think that's a big example of the fact that it was accepted. And it's not like, of course, national awards are very, very prestigious, but that doesn't take away from whatever it did achieve. And it's not like, "Arey, hame kyun jitaya nahi?" Like, we didn't ever make a film for that purpose. So that's okay. If you're not, an award is when you're being rewarded for your efforts. And I'm sure all the, the people who have won have put in that effort, so they've been rewarded for it. So you shouldn't ever feel spiteful for somebody else's win. I think that's the wrong way of looking at it. Easter, everyone. Thank you for being
चलो
here.
रोल है सबका
On a holiday.
ओके हाय दिया जी मैम लोग आईफा
हाँ, मैं सुन लूँ सवाल.
कितने एक्साइटेड है इस बार के आईफा के लिए आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं
न्यूयॉर्क सिटी दुनिया में मेरे फेवरेट सिटीज़ में से एक है. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. हर साल आईफा अवार्ड्स अपने आप को नए जगहों में ले जाने की कोशिश करता है और भी बेहतर होने की कोशिश करता है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस टू cut across the globe and go to the wonderful city of New York to celebrate Indian cinema.
How do you see the cinema going to?
I think there's a very interesting melting pot of shared experiences that people in creative spaces are encouraging, and that is being witnessed in various platforms, be it television, film, basically multimedia, and it's really wonderful. I'm actually looking forward to seeing Priyanka in New York City and personally experiencing the love and the affection that she has garnered for herself in America. I think it'll be wonderful.
Who are you rooting for this time?
It's last year was a very interesting year for cinema. Many very socially relevant topics were explored through the various narratives. Some of my favorite films from last year were Dangal, Pink, Neerja. There are many more to name, but these were my top 3 favorite films. It's going to be tough to vote right now because there's just been such an incredible body of work at display, and I hope we continue to grow like this and audiences continue to enjoy and love meaningful, socially relevant, good films.
Riya will be singing the Nudat's biopic very soon. So how is it going?
Yeah.
It's going really well. I just completed my last day of work a few days ago, and it's really a privilege and an honor to work with such a wonderful set of people. Mr. Rajkumar Hirani has directed me before in Lage Raho Munna Bhai. It was really nice to be back on his film set. But more than anything else, it's just the combined forces of talent that form the making of this film, and I can't wait for us to have the opportunity to reveal more about it. Right now we're all tight-lipped about what we're doing. The only thing I can say is that it's a privilege and an honor and an absolute joy to be working on the Sanjay Dutt biopic.
Did you had any opportunity to interact with Sanjay Dutt?
Of course.
Any of sort of words you had with him?
Sanjay sir is happy that I'm doing the film, and that means a lot to me. We've shared a very warm relationship over the years. I've done a few films with him in the past, and I'm just really happy that he was happy I was doing the film.
Yeah, we've seen, Ranveer.
You should not have seen that. It was leaked by the media, and we were shooting that day, and I have to admit that it was upsetting because it was a look that we were saving to reveal much later. And while we are very enthused by the response from the public, which has been fantastic, we do wish that the media had respected the privacy of the film and not revealed those pictures. Bad people. Yes, but the media wasn't invited to take
Yeah,
pictures.
but how is it to work with Ranveer, and people are being like recently Arshad said that he saw him in workshops and he's amazing as Sanju. So
Ranveer is amazing. There's no two ways about it. It's been a learning curve to work with him. He is supremely talented, and it's just such a joy and privilege to watch him at work and work with him. But I have to say that Ranbir Kapoor has possibly one of the finest temperaments I've ever worked with. And that's good. That says a lot about a person.
all right, thank you.
I look forward to seeing
Thank you.
you guys in New York. Thank you for being here.